Hello artists, so last week we spent some time sketching out some ideas for our tile designs, and as you can see, these are the medieval style tiles that we had talked about, and we are going to be taking that tile design up one notch to create what's called a triptych. And a triptych has 3 equal parts to it. So first we need to divide our paper into 3 equal parts, and we're going to make that into 6 inches each. So I have an 18-inch long piece of paper, and I'm going to mark my first mark on the paper, making sure that the ruler is even with the edge of the paper, and I'm just going to make a tiny mark with my pencil at the 6-inch point. After I've done that, I'm going to fold the paper with the edges completely even on the top and the bottom, and also matching up to the 6-inch point. This will give me one part that's 6-inch wide, and I will fold the other part up to the fold from the original 6 inches, and that will create 3 equal parts. And now I'm going to carefully make a line on each of those parts so I know where to stop my tile designs. After I have that complete, you can see that I can make a triptych. It will be a folded piece of paper that can stand on its own. Now I'm going to divide these up into 4 axes, and I'm carefully making an X on my paper from corner to corner. And then I'm going to make another X from side to side and from top to bottom. And I have all those equal pieces of the pie. And I'm going to begin by making my first tile, the one on the far left, as a geometric tile. So I'm using my geometric stencils, and I am making my design so I have radial symmetry. So if I make a rectangle on one side, I will make a rectangle on the other side. And I've completed that on another sheet of paper. So I'm going to put that aside, and I'm going to begin making on the right side, leaving the center of my triptych empty because we're going to be using a special technique on that. And I'm dividing it up with my 4 axes again. 1 vertical, 1 horizontal, and 2 diagonal lines. In this particular tile, we are going to be creating it a bit differently. We're going to be using something called organic designs. And organic designs are designs that you invent. So I'm just going to set those geometric stencils aside. I'm not going to use them. And I'm going to use my creativity to create my own designs. So I wanted to have this pointed shape with round circles around the outside, and I have completed that. So I have my other piece of my triptych where I have organic shapes completely done, and I'm all set. Next week we're going to talk about what we're going to be adding in the center of our triptych. I can't wait. I'll see you then.